sure this is gonna work, Littlefoot? I know it's the first day of the cold time, but...
It has to work, Cera. If we don't get these tree sweets today, they'll shrivel and spoil. Reach, Ducky!
I am reaching!
Need help!
I still cannot reach.
We're gonna need Spike! Come on down, everybody. Let's find Spike.
Spike! Spike! I heard you tell Spike we'd be here, so I know he knows. Sometimes I do wonder what he is thinking about. I do.
Tree stars. But the tree star's song has changed. There's something new. Well, the new song's not coming from these tree stars. Nothing like tree stars to start the day right.
All I see is the day in front of us.
All I see is the day in front of us.
Burning bright with a newborn sun. Come follow me. Hills to climb and valleys to roam. Oh, streams to follow all the way home. To the land before time. Before time.
I am almost there.
Left.
Almost there.
You kids all right?
Except for being cold, wet, hungry, and miserable, I think we're all fine, thank you. I hate the cold time. There's nothing good about it.
Oh, what about hard water sweets?
Hard water sweets?
What are those, Mr. Thicknose?
Oh, hard water sweets are sweet bubbles covered by hard water.
Oh my, that sounds like something I've never even heard of.
I'm not surprised. Hard water sweets can only be found on the first day of the cold time.
That today.
Say, maybe we can find them.
Don't even bother. That hard water sweet stuff is a load of nonsense.
Now, Mr. Threehorn, I assure you, it's not nonsense.
Oh? Well, if they really exist, why haven't I ever found them?
Perhaps because they're hard to find.
It's not funny.
Tree sweet.
Water sweet.
Tree sweet.
Sometimes I think Mr. Threehorn just enjoys arguing.
Cera?
Littlefoot.
Those two, too. Those guys. It's like they're all so busy talking they can't hear the tree stars sing. There's that new green food song again.
If hard water sweets are so hard to find, how can they be found?
Well, you have to look on a certain mountain on the edge of the Great Valley. It's not an easy journey.
That's never stopped us before.
Now, to get there, you have to go to the tree with two trunks.
tree with two trunks.
Make a left at the tree and head towards the mountain on the right until you reach the waterfall.
Waterfall.
Go behind the waterfall and around the big stone to the Gusty Canyon.
Gutsy Canyon.
And then, they're supposed to be there at the top.
See? Even he doesn't know exactly where to look.
They do sound hard to find.
True, but I hear it's the most wonderful tasting food you can find. At first, they're cold and crunchy, but when you bite down, they're juicy and sweet.
Oh, they sound like the most delicious thing I've never tasted.
If you like that sort of thing.
Puh. I've never even seen that sort of thing. And you shouldn't be telling kids about things that don't exist.
Well, you don't have to believe it if you don't want to.
I believe you, Mr. Thicknose, and I want to try and find them.
If you kids can bring me back a hardwater sweet, I'll give you my share of the tree sweets.
Huh? Well, if you bring me back a hardwater sweet, I'll give you all the tree sweets in the Great Valley.
All of them?
All that I can find.
Sounds good to me.
Now what's going on?
Everybody ready? Yeah, let's go.
Go? Go where? I know what this means. They want to go adventuring, adventuring, adventuring. They want to go adventuring, I'm really not sure why. Why can't they all just be like me and eat some tree stars from a tree? But they always want to be off on their way. Whatever they want us to do, we'll end up being dangerous too, I'm sure they know. But yet they'll go. And if they go adventuring, I know that there is just one thing that I am going to have to do. I'll have to go adventuring too.
Even Spike is ready to look for the hardwater sweets. Yep.
Oh well, here we go. The new Tree Star song is getting louder.
There it is!
Tree with two trunks.
Huh? That's not it. The new Tree Star song is coming from somewhere else.
What?
It's coming from up there. Can't we go this way? We are going this way. There it is again.
We are going this way, Spike. We are.
Spike, shh. Sometime even little grunt make hard water and ground sparkles give way to big landslide.
Whoa! We're supposed to go behind that?
No, we find path around waterfall.
No, Petrie. Mr. Thicknose said we need to go behind the waterfall.
No!
Oh.
Arguing again. All this mist. And the waterfall's so loud I can't make out anything.
Spike? Spike, would you please stop wandering off? Oh dear! That water was even too cold for a swimmer. It was.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
Speak for yourself!
Look! Big rock right there! Gutsy Canyon on other side.
Gutsy Canyon? Petrie, it's Gusty Canyon!
Gutsy, Gusty, what the difference? Why they not just call it Windy Canyon?
That's it. The new Tree Star song. It must be this way.
No, Petrie. Mr. Thicknose said
No!
Petrie!
Look at Spike go! If he can do it, so can we.
We can?
We won't know unless we do. Yeah, let's go. We're at the top. So where are the hard water sweets? Aren't they supposed to be here?
Mr. Thicknose did say they're hard to find.
Maybe we no look hard enough.
Yes.
Yeah!
Or maybe my dad was right and they don't exist.
Where's it coming from? It's so loud. It's like I'm right on top of it.
Mr. Thicknose wouldn't just make it up. They have to exist.
Guys,
No, they do not.
They do too.
Do not.
Do too.
Do
no
not.
talk too loud.
Do too.
Do not.
They do too.
It's coming from down here. The new song is from sweet bubbles covered in hard water. The others have to see this.
Guys, hard water crack.
Do not. Do two. Do not.
Do listen. Be quiet. Oh.
Hold on, guys! I'm coming! Why does this have to happen? Every time we go adventuring. Where are they?
Spike, is that you? Spike? Oh, thank you, Spike.
Hey, don't forget about us! Petrie, Cera, and Littlefoot are over this way.
Oh, that not fun.
See any hard water sweets on the way down, Littlefoot? Don't wander off, Spike. But if Spike hadn't wandered when he wandered, he would have been caught in the landslide too. Then Spike could not have saved us. No. Yeah, well, too bad Spike couldn't save us from Littlefoot's idea to find hard water sweets.
But I know where they are!
Do not!
They do too.
Another fight, the same old sight. But today, I know I'm right. There's something special in the air, and I want us to go there. Come on, guys, follow me. I know just what you want to see. Burr, 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 burr.
I think Spike said, please follow me.
Come on, follow me.
I do not know about you, but I am going to follow Spike. Whatever he thinks is worth seeing is probably worth a look.
Yeah.
But what if they're another landslide? Oh, wait for me.
Hardwater sweets!
This is the way things should be. All of us happy and eating, not fighting and hungry.
I'm still impressed you kids found hardwater sweets.
We never would have found them if it were not for Spike. No, no, no.
He sure did.
I found them. Thanks, Spike.
All right. Here you go. All the tree sweets I could find.
What about those?
Petrie, even we couldn't get those down.
Yeah? Well, watch this.
Way to go, Daddy. Why didn't you think of that?
Me?
Maybe they might argue less if they ate more.
You know, sometimes I wish we could all be a little more like Spike. I do too, Ruby. I do.